This is a 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a locking rear differential, a navigation system, power-adjustable driver pedals, traction control and stability control systems, a Bose stereo system, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: aluminum wheels, dual power seats, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, running boards, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 21,000 miles. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Thank you for considering the Larson Automotive Group, serving the Northwest for over 58 years. Come see why we are the largest automotive group in Washington State.